In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change font color in Photoshop quickly and easily, even if you're just getting started. This is one of the simplest text edits you can make, but it can completely change the look and feel of your design. Whether you're creating a thumbnail, poster, banner, or social media graphic, knowing how to change the text color in Photoshop is a must-have skill. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and easy design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure your text layer is selected in the Layers panel. This is important because Photoshop will only let you edit the text settings for the correct layer. If you have multiple layers, click the one that contains the text you want to change. Once the text layer is selected, go to the Properties panel. This panel is where Photoshop keeps many of the most useful text controls, including font options, spacing, and color. If you don't see the Properties panel on your screen, don't worry, just go up to the top menu bar, click Window, and then click Properties. That will bring the panel back if it's hidden. Now, inside the Properties panel, look for the Character section. This is where you'll find all the settings for your text, including font family, size, tracking, and color. Under that character subsection, you'll see a small color square right next to the font size and tracking options. This little square is what controls the text color. Go ahead and click on that color box. As soon as you do, Photoshop will open the color picker dialog box. From here, you can choose any color you want for your text. You can click around the color field to preview different shades, or you can enter specific values if you already know the exact color you want. Once you've found the perfect color, click OK to apply it, and just like that, your font color has been changed in Photoshop. It's a fast process once you know where to look, and it gives you a lot more control over the style and readability of your design. If you want to make your text stand out, try choosing colors that contrast well with your background. That can make a huge difference in how professional your design looks. And that's how you change font color in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.